Hi, welcome to my studio apartment. I'm gonna give you guys the official apartment tour of my first time living alone in LA. So, come in. Welcome to my bedroom. This is a studio, so it is all one room. So like, I'm calling this my bedroom, but it's just like the bedroom part of this room. But this has to be my favorite. So when I decided to move into a studio apartment, something really overcame me where I saw this as a Sims project. I really felt like I was a Sim and I just had to build like my best life with what I have. And I think the number one reason why I love this layout so much is because of this carpet. This tan rug I bought to layer underneath this rug because I wanted this tan rug to separate this room from the living room. Using rugs to section off different parts of the room really changes it and makes this feel like its own room in comparison to the living room. There was something that I didn't like about just having a bare linoleum wood floor. I need cozy, I need carpet, and that tan carpet really made this like its own room. So obviously I love the carpet, but I think another reason I love this room is because of this divider. This building came with a divider and I'm obsessed with this. It basically gave me the blueprint of where my room started and ended. And I also added to the separation with this pink curtain. Now this is just fun. I feel like I could have done anything to divide this room, but I wanted to feel like old school Hollywood, like waking up with like a pink curtain. I know I sound like Gabby. I don't know what's overcome me. My least favorite color is pink. I've been really loving pink in LA lately. Like LA is giving pink to me. Speaking of pink, we got a pink theme going on with this bed. Most of the bed stuff is from Amazon or TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Marshalls. I think for this room, I really just wanted to go with just happy colors, cozy and happy. I just want this space to give cozy and happy. How many times have I said that? And this mirror, how can I not talk about this guy? I saw this on Facebook Marketplace for such a good deal. When I first saw this mirror, it was during the pandemic and I wanted to buy this for my closet room in Pennsylvania, but it was like $14,000, custom mirror. But I found this, I don't think this is the real thing, I think it's a knockoff, but this was for such a good price, guys. This is the first piece I bought for my bedroom in this studio, and I kind of just built everything else around this groovy mirror. Okay, so this bed is iconic. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. All I typed was 80s postmodern bed set, and this headboard and two side tables came together. Because my bedroom is quite small, my bedroom just consists of my bed and my nightstands and a mirror. So this is all I have in my bedroom because all my closet space is in my entryway, and I'll take you guys over there. So back to where we started. This is the entryway of my apartment, but it is also my closet. Down here we have a wagon with my tote in it. This is what I use to go get my mail. And then over here we have a shoe rack. You gotta utilize your space in a studio. As much as I would like to be that girl that's put together that puts her shoes in her closet, I'm not that girl. I just like to kick off my shoes. So even though it's not that aesthetically pleasing, I do think having a shoe rack as soon as you walk in keeps the organization going in this apartment. But then over here we have my closet doors. I love that they're like, what is this called? It's just frosted glass, I think. All right. So you guys have seen me go from my closet room in Pennsylvania to having a decent sized closet in my last apartment to now having this as my closet. All right, so this is my closet part one. Here I just store tank tops, t-shirts, button downs, sweatshirts, all the casual stuff. And then over here, I have just like pants and sweatshirts and storage, clothes I'm getting rid of. Over here, it's just a white boring bathroom, but I appreciate the white boring bathroom because when I'm getting ready, I just want good lighting. There's no windows in here, so I don't know if I'm ever gonna paint it. I really appreciate the white bathroom, but I have seen some things on TikTok where like you give your bathroom like a 90s aquarium makeover. I'm gonna like have it pop up. I low-key want to do that to my bathroom, but it would look a little crazy in here. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, so I don't know yet, TBD, if I'm gonna paint things and put wallpaper on the walls. I am appreciating the white though. Over this way, ooh, this is another closet We got some special shirts on here. This is my new clothing that's coming out. This is my first baby tee I'm selling. It says Hot Girls Go to Vegas. My clothing line is called Iconic. I don't want to call it merch line because it doesn't just have my name or my face or something I say on it. I genuinely put effort into these designs, and obviously I have a song that came out called Vegas, but I wanted to make a baby tee that you would buy from like any of your favorite stores that says something cute on it. Like I just wanted to make something fun, cute, and simple for you guys to wear with your low-rise jeans or like your sweatpants. I like that it does tie in with my music, but you don't have to listen to my music to want to wear this. Like I wanted to make the design really cute for anybody. These are the shirts. By the time this video is live, I think the t-shirts will be up. You can only buy these though for 2 weeks. So the sale is only happening Monday, September 9th to September 16th. So these t-shirts are limited and only available for those 2 specific weeks. I'm also currently working on other designs, so I'll have it all linked down below, but definitely grab your shirt before they're gone. It comes in pink, it comes in red. I personally live in my red one, but all my friends love the pink one, so I'm really torn down the middle. I don't know which one's your favorite. Comment down below if you're a pink girl or if you're a red girl, but I gave you guys both options. And also the photo shoot for these shirts is like my favorite thing I've ever creative directed. I literally am wearing the hair that I wore in the photos. It's very like pin-up, old school Hollywood meets Vegas. I had so much fun with that. These are the shirts that we're hanging in front of my girlfriend's closet. I'm not gonna show too much. This is all her stuff. We're lesbians, we U-Haul, okay? Like, we live together, but we don't live together. Like, I live alone, but we're in like a long distance relationship in LA. She lives so far opposite where I am in LA that when I go to her house, I pack an overnight bag. And when she comes to stay here, she packs an overnight bag. So I have stuff in her closet and she has stuff in my closet since we're like doing the sleepover thing a lot. But this is like some of her stuff, my laundry bins, my vacuum, and my laundry. I feel like living in a studio has taught me that as humans, we don't need as much space as we think we need. Why isn't a laundry machine in a closet? Why do we need a separate room for laundry? Why? This is enough. This is definitely enough, and I just feel like I'm learning a lot living in a studio. Why do we have like a living room, a laundry room, a kitchen room, a office room? I literally sold my house in February and I'm now living in a studio. And I feel like just that experience in and of itself has taught me like we don't need all these rooms. I mean, at least I don't. I should just speak for myself. This is my living room. This, I mean, it's the same room, but you guys get what I mean. This part of the studio is my fucking favorite, guys. This couch was $900 brand new from Facebook Marketplace. This couch was a good find. And you know what my favorite part is about this couch? Is that there's a little circular part for me. Like, and I just have my blankets and I'm curled up in a ball. It's just perfect. Like, it's so hard to like get stuff done when this like part of the couch is calling my name. But I love this couch. I wanted a cozy couch over like a real leather postmodern 80s thrifted couch. I really just wanted a brand new, clean, comfy couch, and we got her. But I do love the color. I think the color is very 80s. It's very neutral, it's very cozy. This is my coffee table. This is actually thrifted. This is a Facebook Marketplace find. This is a real postmodern 80s coffee table. It's laminate, and I love laminate furniture, and it's mirrored along the inside. This area rug is like one of my favorite things ever as well. I just love that it's like a peachy pink. I love the color of it, and I also feel like it's big enough to like make this its own room. And my little teal chair. I love this chair. She's kind of hidden, but she's really cute, and I do feel like I'm missing some blues in this apartment, and this chair is giving me the color palette in here that I want. I love this. This is not a TV stand. Let me tell you guys, this is actually a bar stand, like an 80s bar, and I actually found the matching stools. I thought I was actually gonna use this as a bar table with bar stools, but I ended up just keeping it for my TV because I really think it's the perfect height and it's so cute. But over here is the kitchen, and one of the bar stools I have kind of like facing the counter, so if I want to eat, I can eat here. I don't really use all my cabinets, so it works out pretty well, but this actually matches the bar stand. And wait, let me show you guys. Like, look how cute this would have went together. And I have 2 other chairs outside on my balcony, but like I thought I was gonna be able to eat from here. Maybe it's not too late. Maybe I can find somewhere in the apartment to like make that dream come true. But if I'm gonna be honest, this layout is just too good to change it up. And I found these all separate on Facebook Marketplace, but they did come together. Like this was a set back in the day. Who's editing this is gonna troll me so hard. My least favorite color is pink. Okay, so over here, I'm really making use of my space. I have my office. There's like barely any space between me and the couch, but it's enough space for me to sit at my desk and get work done. Like literally just enough space. I film my get ready with me's here. I do my Zoom calls here. I do my makeup here. This is like a multi-purpose station. We got our garbage right here because the kitchen's right next to me. But this little chair, this desk, like everything fits so good. I'm really lucky that this all worked out. I hardly measured anything and it worked out. But this is my like 80s lacquer desk. This matches really well with my bed. And then over here this is pretty much more clothes because as you guys saw, I don't have a huge closet and I have a shopping problem and I have a lot of clothes and I'm always playing dress up, so I needed more space. I just have my dresses, skirts, jackets all hung up here, and then I have a bunch of shoes back here. This is my kitchen. She's small, but she is exactly what I need. I don't need anything more than this. My kitchen is literally a wall. We got our sink, we got our dishwasher, we got our microwave, we got our stove, we got our fridge. We got everything we need. It feels very open because there's no like island in the way, which I didn't expect to love, but I low-key love this. Every apartment that I've had until this apartment, the kitchen took up a lot of space. It feels bigger in here because the kitchen is just a wall. I really love this layout, and this is my favorite corner of the apartment over here. It has like, Jules made this little mushroom at Color Me Mine. I made this little plate. I have my little color changing light over here, and it really sets the mood at nighttime. And this is my balcony. I love sitting out here. I got this rocking chair table set on Prime Day in June for like $200. That was such a win. I love that these rock because I feel like I'm stimming when I'm overstimulated. I just sit out here and I just rock on the chair. And it's just really relaxing, and I have my coffee out here in the mornings with my girlfriend, and life feels good. Life is all about the simple things, and waking up with her and having coffee out here is like one of my favorite moments. And also, I have the extra stools that went with the bar cart. That's a wrap. This is my studio apartment in LA. I feel just like relaxed and happy and love it. Like I honestly feel like a studio like took my overthinky brain and just gave me like one easy small space to work with. And I feel like I keep it clean because it's not big. I have to keep it clean. It's just really good for my ADHD brain. I also feel just like really safe and cozy. I feel like my apartment hugs me like when I walk in, and it feels like home, and those check off all the things on my list for a home or an apartment. I can't believe I'm living in a studio, but it's really working for me. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, press the bell if you haven't. I'm posting every week, but I also post everywhere else like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, like all that. So make sure you guys are following me there. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'm back in LA and I'm excited to make content for you guys, so comment down below. Let me know if you want to see videos with Jules, like what you want to see us do. If you want like a chit chat video, what you want me to talk about. This is my favorite time of the year. I love fall, Halloween. So comment down below. There's new music coming, so check out my Spotify, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Let's go to Vegas.